Hello. Uh, Today I'm going to tell you like how you admin can use this Neura platform for adding students, manage their student, and how they can add their staff in this particular Neura platform. So once you will sign up on this Neura platform, you have to just log in, and then you will see this platform for in a Neura platform. So here you can see like my institute and my institute profile. So here you can enter your institute name. For example, I can just update it as a Neura, and I can give the name and location and just update it. So once you update, this name will be visible in the my institute option, and this is classroom management. So here you can see like student management, staff, admin, course, and device management. So in student management, you can enter your whole students data. For as a demo purpose, I have entered this much data. So you can also enter your data. Here you can see like create student. So you can just create a student, and you can upload your student data in a bulk format. Here you can just download your Excel one sample Excel file, and on this particular Excel file you can just enter your student data and then browse it. So once you browse, you can just choose your file and upload it, right? So let me show you. So you can just go to this particular folder where you have saved your data and just open it, right? So likewise you can upload your data, student data. So for example, I am just creating one manual file, one manual data. So I just written the name, student name is John, and I just leaving this last name. I can add this student email. So this is this student email ID. You can just enter the student guardian name. I'm just ending John as well, and you can enter your student contact number and just confirm. So once you confirm, this student data will be available here. You can see like this John at melinator.com. This data is available right now. I have just added it. Okay. So you can just click on this and add a class. So before adding a class, you have to create your class. I'll show you later. So in this staff management, you will add your staff as well. So here I can add my staff and staff email address. Right? So just confirm. So here you will be able to see like I have added Alex as a teacher. So in this admin management, if you want to add more admin, by default it will have only one admin once you log in at the first time. But if you are principal, director, vice principal, also they wants to access this Neura platform and wants to see what is going on in this particular institute. They wants to manage all the things. So you can just create admin as well, and also you can create your staff as a admin. So you just click on this three dots, and here you can see like upgrade to admin. Once you upgrade to admin, Alex also will be as a admin. So Alex is as a teacher, they can handle as a teacher platform also and admin platform also. So in course management, by default you will get like CBSE, Learn to Code, Common Core, SS. These three courses by default will available in this Neura platform. But if you want to create your own curriculum, own data, you can just click on this create curriculum. Here you can enter your curriculum name and just confirm. So the Neura curriculum will be available here, right? So you can just click on this enter and create your class, subject, chapter, and topics. For example, I can create the class, I can create class 12 and confirm. So you can see like class 12 is available here. Now you have to click on this enter your subject name. So I can just quickly create a chemistry subject, confirm. Now the chemistry subject is available. Now you have to create your chapter. I can just create a chapter name as a chemical and confirm. So in this chapter you have to create your topic again. So you have to enter your topic name. I am just adding as a chemical bonding, then confirm. So here you can enter your data in the form of image, reading, videos and documents. So how you will add the data? You have to just click on this create content. If you have any file, any image in your laptop or desktop, you have to just click on this particular my device. Go to your file where you have added any image, any document in your laptop. You can just upload it. Done. So you can see like I have uploaded this image. If you have any URL, any link, that URL you want to upload, you just click. I am just copying this URL for the demo purpose. So if you have any other link, you can upload it. So you have to just go on this create content, upload via URL, give the title name. Give the title name and enter your URL, and you have to select the content type. Like this URL is, what is it? So it's a web page. I am just clicking on this web page and then confirm. So this web page will be available in this reading. So you can see like I have mentioned as a chemical bonding, and this is the link. So you have to just click on this link and whole data is available in your platform. You don't need to go Google tab and again you have to search. You can just click on this particular link and the data will be available in this format only, right? And if you have any videos in your laptop, or if you want to upload any YouTube link, you can just upload. You can just copy the YouTube link and upload it via URL. If you have any video in your laptop, you can just click on this particular video and then upload it, right? So for example, I can upload this video. So you can see like it's uploading. This blue line is going on, so it means like it's uploading on the back end. So it will take little 1 or 2 minutes of time for uploading the data, because it's a huge file, right? So I'm just cancelling it. It will upload in a back end, right? So if you have any file, any word, any document in your laptop or desktop, it will upload in the document. So you can just click on the my device and upload the file. Okay, so I have one email like file. This file I want to upload, and I'm just uploading it. Right, so this PDF file is also as a 5 or 6 MBs file, so it will take little bit time. So you can just see like current uploaded. So 1. So you can see this PDF file is got uploaded. In this video also, this video has been uploaded in the back end. This image, this link is also uploaded, and this image is also uploaded. So why we are uploading all the data in this course management? So whatever data you will upload in this course management, it will available to your whole institute teachers, whoever have the access of this particular Neura platform and who have registered in this platform, right? So I have added Alex in this particular platform. So Alex will be able to use this data in creating the lesson plan in this particular class if you are teaching, right? So in this device management, if you have any interactive device of ours, so you can just add it, and whatever you are writing on this particular interactive device, which automatically save on the cloud and accessible by all the students whoever present in this particular Neura platform and access on this class, right? So next feature is broadcast message. If admin wants to send some message, some notification to the student and teacher, they can just create a their message and then enter their message, create a title and enter the message and just send it. So once you send, once admin will send this message, student and teacher will receive one notification. This message will be available in the form of notification, right? So now you have added your students, you have added your staff. Now you have to create your class. So you have to create your class. For example, I am just writing this class name and confirm. So you can see like this class is available here. So in this class you can see like no student is there, no staff is there. So you have to enter your student. You can enter your student from student management as well. So I can just click on this particular student, and I can add all the student in this class, right? So add to class. Once you click on this add to class, all the classes will be available here. You have to just click on this particular class where do you want to add it, right? Just confirm. Now I can go this Neura platform, Neura class. You can see like 4 students are available here. Previously it was blank, right? So now I have added 4 students. Now I have to add my teacher as well. So I can just add Alex as in this particular class as a teacher. Also, if I want to add any syllabus in this particular class, this syllabus I have created, I can just click on this syllabus and then add it. And this is a very advanced and AI based feature, this insight and analytics, right? So in this insight and analytics, admin can track the student attendance, they can track the classroom behavior, and they can track also teachers and students performance. If teacher is published any assignment, any test, admin can also will be able to see what test has been created and how many student has attempted. In daily logs, admin can see like what teacher has performed, like they have taken any attendance, they have submit any assignment or test to the student. All the details will be available here. Admin or any principal, director, and vice principal, they have the access for this Neura platform. They can manage and they can track the record. The one more advanced feature is repositories. So admin will also be able to see like what is going on in this particular class, what teacher has prepared any lesson, they have shared any lesson with the student, and they can create any they can share any media file, document file with the student. Also they can admin can select the teacher name, date wise also they can manage, and the date wise also they can track, right? So whatever Alex teacher has prepared in this particular class, any lesson, if they have published it with the student, all the data will be available here and admin can track it. So this is a admin platform where admin can add the student, add the staff, add admin as well, and they can create their course as well. And if they want to add any interactive device and they don't want to do twice the work, they can add the device as well. They are writing on the device, it is automatically published on uploaded on the cloud, and the student will able to see from their home, from their premises. And in this institute platform, they can change their name, they can upload their logo, and by default we are providing some storage with the Neura cloud platform. But if they want to add their Google Drive for accessing the data and uploading the data, they can add it. Now this is the whole Neura platform as a admin, how they can manage the platform. Yeah. Thank you so much for this video. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe the video and share with your network. Thank you. Have a great time.